Elders of Amago Kingdom, I summoned this meeting to discuss about my son Obidike's coronation as the heir apparent to the throne. The king after me.
Ojemba, Ilo. Igwe Ojemba. May you live long.
You have spoken well.
We the elders, we shall visit the chief priest. He will be the one to give us the date for the coronation. My elders, have I spoken your minds?
Ichenana.
You go, Jemba.
It shall be well with you.
Easy.
Oh no!
What do you?
All right.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's here, Nana. Oh no. All right.
Your Highness, I overheard you discussing with the elders. You were telling them you want to install Obidike as the heir apparent to the throne. Why?
Indeed, you heard me well. As you can see, I'm not getting younger anymore. Obidike, my son, has to be made the king.
No! That was never the agreement. Obidike cannot be made the crowned prince of this kingdom.
What are you talking about, woman?
It's a pity. It's a pity that you men forget so soon. You forget so soon when a woman helps you to achieve your success.
Obidia, my word is final.
That is not possible. Have you forgotten who made you the king? I, Obidia, I single-handedly made you the king. Do not let me regret the pain that I went through to get you to become the king that you are today.
Obidia, do not provoke me. So it has gone to that.
There was an agreement, a promise that my offspring shall be king after you.
Oh yes, I remember vividly. But you did not have a son, you have a daughter.
No! My daughter will be king after you.
Not in this land. In the history of our land, no woman has ever become a king. Not to talk much about this kingdom. It will never happen.
Then the history will be written because my daughter will be king after you. Whether you like it or not. Nani, you have not touched your food. What troubles you? You've been like this for days. Listen, I'm your wife. Your first wife. You can share your problems with me.
Obidia, only those that bank on the riverside can tell the true cry of a crocodile.
You speak in parables. Can you please explain what you mean?
My heart is heavy. I am the living dead.
May the gods forbid that. What do you mean by the living dead?
The kingdom calls me that, and they are right. What belongs to me was forcefully taken away. Amagu throne belongs to me. I'm the only surviving son of late King Ebubedike.
You're right. But you cannot solve your problem by sitting like this and wondering. I think it's about time we did something about it. We should visit Ohumiri. I think she'll be in a position to solve our problem.
Greetings, man. Greetings.
Ugodi, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Ugodia.
Nine.
How was the market today? Obidike, come my son. How are you?
We're here. You can speak. She'll hear you.
The great goddess of Ngru River. I'm here to seek solutions to my problem. The most beautiful goddess that married the ugliest god. Ahomili.
What you seek is a difficult one. The throne was taken from you by a strong power, and only a stronger power can take back what rightfully belongs to you. Ojemba! Ojemba! Your heart is weak, and it cannot take the task ahead of you. Go! Go!
Go! No, Ahomili. I will do it. I cannot stand the shame of watching my husband being humiliated and treated like a nobody when he's supposed to be the king. I must do everything within my power to ensure that he gets back the throne.
I see you have a heart of a man, but remember, the task ahead of you is a difficult one. You shall stay under the river for 7 market days. If you survive, the throne will be given to your husband.
No! No! No one stays under the water for a day without being drowned. How much more? 7 market days. No. Let the throne go.
No. I will do it. My husband, you must promise me one thing. When you die, my child shall be the next king.
Obidia, my wife, no amount of promise will be enough for this sacrifice. But if that is what you want, you have it. Your offspring will rule after my reign. You have my word.
Obidia, it's time for us to embark on a journey.
My daughter, your gender will not stop us from ascending the throne. There was an agreement. The agreements that put Ojemba on the throne. Ojemba. Ojemba. Hell knows no fury like a woman's scorn.
Greetings, my son, Iyke. How are you? You may be seated. I called you to come closer so that you will be getting acquainted to our custom and tradition. Because very soon, you are going to be the crown prince of this kingdom. You understand?
Greetings, my queen. Your Highness.
You may not leave. That's my son.
Your Highness, I can see you're having a good time with your son. But I just want to remind you, do not forget the promise you made. Don't ever forget it.
Listen, woman. Is that why you have come to interrupt my beautiful discussion with my son, Iyke? Listen, and listen very well. Never you make mention of that discussion again, because it's not going to happen. Never!
I seek your presence! Ahami! Ahami! I come with a heart filled with pain. Where are you, Ahami? Ahami! 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 He broke his promise. He went against his promise after all the sacrifice that I made.
No, he hasn't. Because the gods did not give you a son. Reasons best known to them. Your daughter cannot be king after him. Go home. Go and enjoy your wealth with your husband. It is not in my power to make kings.
No! No! I will not stand by and watch you make another heir apparent to the throne. Over my dead body would that be possible? I will not allow it! Over my dead body! After all the pain I went through.
The flowering of a goat would not stop its pricing in the market. Obidia, if you want to be a man, be ready to grow testicles.
Iyke. Yes. But, Mother, why is Benobide always angry at me?
Shh! Don't say that. Benobide doesn't hate you. She's also your mother. Now eat your food.
Alright.
Baby. Eat. I'm watching you. You know you can't eat without me. I don't want to hear it all. Just be eating. Eat. Ajobi. Anyone here? Ajobi. 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 Ajobi.
Greetings, Queen of Amado Kingdom. You can have a seat.
Ajobi. I didn't see anyone when I entered.
Ajobi is half human, half spirit. I know why you are here. The heart of a woman is deep as ocean. Your heart is covered with betrayal and pain.
Ajobi, pain is an understatement. I am here to seek revenge. Since my daughter cannot become the next king because she is too young, I want to be the king now.
Then you have to become a man. Yes, you have to become a man to be able to rule the kingdom.
How do I become a man?
Your heart is already that of a man.
What do I do?
Open your hands. Take this egg and face this Ajobi, powerful tree, and swallow the egg. You shall be in this tree for 4 market days. After 4 market days, you shall return with powers to be able to rule the kingdom of Amago.
First, I was in the river for 7 market days. And now, 4 days in the tree. If I can go 7 days in the river for my husband who fails to keep his promise, then I shall journey these 4 days to take what belongs to me.
Amadi Kamamo! Ọba ti tẹ́tẹ́ wọn kan fúnra odogun. Ọ̀gbẹ́ ti já wọn àyàn ọdún wọn kẹ́kẹ́ níbi yẹn.
God, fetch me Queen Obidia.
My king, the head queen is not in her chambers.
Fetch me the chief maiden.
My king. My king.
Greetings, my king.
Where is Obidia? I was told that she's not in her chambers.
Yes, my king. She left since yesterday and hasn't returned.
How could she leave this palace without my permission? You may not leave. God! Go and fetch Ugodia for me now.
Majesty.
God, you may not leave. Ugodia,
My king.
A snake seen by one person is a python. The chaff of palm nuts fill my mouth. I cannot swallow.
My king, you speak in parables. I can't comprehend.
I wish you can understand. How do I make you to understand the cry of a crocodile when you are not at the riverside?
Your Majesty, you are speaking in more parables. Is everything alright?
Obidia, my first queen, is not in this palace. The dream I had last night was terrible.
A dream? My king, what was it about?
Ọgwụdelekara aka na-amapụ ụzọ afọ na oke dike na-egbu mma n'ọgbọ na ọnụ riri udedo n'origo ajọ nri o ruo n'omume agwụrụ mmawude. The poor market days has come. Show yourself. Mmawude, show yourself. Odogu, welcome back, the king of Come. Operate the one of Odogu. You can declare it. The teacher said one of Odogu. You can declare it. The king of our kingdom.
Oh, come on.
Ogidigada. Ogidigada.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my queen. You're back, my queen.
Yes, I am back.
Welcome, my queen.
Go and tell the king that I am back.
Yes, my queen.
Your Majesty,
For days now, this woman is not in this palace.
Your Majesty, I will suggest you calm your nerves. Okay? Maybe she went to visit her mother. Please, you don't need this now. This kingdom does not need this now. Please, I beg you. Relax yourself. She'll be back. Please, I beg you. Relax.
Greetings, my king. The Air Queen is back to the palace, my king.
Did you hear that? That our queen is back. Your Majesty. I want you to have quality time with your wife, the queen. You know, she's been out for a very long time. I'll see you later. Your Majesty.
Uzoma. Queen Obidia, she's back to the palace.
What? When?
How am I supposed to?
Is she a spirit? How come no one saw her?
I don't know. She's here. Greetings, my queen.
Princess, stop crying. Your mother will be back, alright? Don't cry. Just calm down. I'm assuring you. Don't cry. Wow, your mother is back. Run, go and meet her. Go.
Oh, Mama, my daughter. Oh, look at you. How have you been? Have you been fine? Oh, so good to see you. I missed you. Oh.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings.
Queen, the king wants to see you at the throne room.
Tell my king I will be with him shortly.
Yes, my queen.
She's the man king, she's too powerful, she's so strong, no one can withstand her. She's woman king, she's too powerful, she's so strong.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Excuse us, God.
Yes, my king.
Obidia, where have you been? I've been worried about your whereabouts. You know, it is not in our tradition for a royalty to leave the palace without a guard.
The palace no longer needs me. You decided to choose a vulture over an eagle.
How dare you say such? You know you are my first wife, and I love you so much. Try and see reason why Nwamma cannot be the king or a successor after me.
Enough. Only the gods know what happened. Because I know I was carrying a male child in my womb. But my enemies must have turned her into a female child. Enemies, I believe, that are within the palace.
Enemies, you say? Nobody change your child. The gods know why they bless you with a female child. If there is any other request, you can wait. Say it, and it shall be granted.
Your Majesty, I have no other request. Go ahead, crown Obidike the crown prince of Amago Kingdom.
Obidia, did I hear you well?
You did.
Gods of our land, may you all be blessed and praised for bringing peace to my home. Hey. Elders of our land, in the next 4 market days, my son Obidike shall be crowned as the crown prince of this kingdom. It's a good one.
Oh my God.
Before I go further, you are to go and tell Okoko that his masquerade shall be on display on that very day.
Igwe, consider it done.
It's your Nana. Everything that we're going to eat and drink. You know I trust you. You are to take care of that.
You know I will do it. It is done and dusted.
That's my man. Oh no! Oh no! In my back too. And the banana. I leave that into your own time.
Consider it done.
Hey! I'm gonna leave here.
Oh dear.
I'm gonna leave here. I don't know why you know. You go for that. Oh, don't
Igwe. Oga Balogi. It's your Nana. Oga Balogi. Oh no.
It is confirmed.
Ugobia, how are you? Alright. Greetings, my beautiful maidens. How are you?
Thank you.
The food is great. This is it.
Right. Wash your hand and join me.
No, Your Majesty. You know your son can't eat without me. I have to go and feed him.
You are over-pampering that young man. Knowing fully that in the next 4 market days, he's going to be crowned as the next crown prince of this kingdom. If you say so, well.
Enjoy your food.
Thank you. Oh! I think what's that? And you know. All right.
Your Majesty. You go and call him. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
What happened? What's wrong with the king? What is wrong with him?
Get your water fast. Who served this meal?
Who cooks this food? Your Majesty, I served the food. It was prepared by Queen Ugodiema.
You want to kill me? I beg your pardon, Ndidi. You beg your pardon? You know exactly what you're doing. I don't want you. Then, I mean, anything happens to you. What are you saying? My king will be fine. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, listen to me. You have to be well. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Obidike, my son, I want you to listen to me carefully. eyes have seen my ancestors. If eventually I close my eyes to death, I want you to leave this kingdom for good.
Father, what are you saying? You'd be fine. Just tell me anything you want me to do and I will do it.
I want you to leave this kingdom for good. Whoever that did this to me will be after your life.
Father, where would I go to? What about my mother?
The gods of our land shall direct your steps. I am much more worried about your safety. Go as I speak.
It is no longer news that King Ochemba is gone. There is no way we would leave the throne empty. I am thinking that I, Obidi, should occupy the throne.
Abomination! That can never happen in this land. Never! Alo!
A woman can never be the king in this kingdom.
Never! It's not possible. Not at all.
Cannot happen.
Obi dear, you and I know that is not possible. My son Obidike is to take over the throne after his father.
Exactly, yes. What my elders know, with the authority bestowed on me as the honor of this kingdom, I don't see anything wrong with what Obidia said. Just to take care of the throne for now.
Oh
no! What I'm saying is that Obidia, you can take care of the throne for now until maybe further consultation.
It's not possible! Not possible! What are you saying?
I am the honor and I have spoken, and so shall it be.
Oh no! Never! What are you talking about? Never! A woman taking over the of our king?
I'm the king.
The God forbid!
The gods have spoken.
Spoken where?
For now.
No! I said no!
Are you challenging me as you know of this kingdom? Do you know the agreement between her and the husband?
Greetings, my queen.
Where is the prince?
Your Majesty, Prince Obidike is nowhere to be found in the palace.
What do you mean? He's nowhere to be found. Go out there and search for him. Bring him back. Get out of my sight! Obidike, did you see my son? Where could he be? Obidike! Obidike! Where could he be? Did you see my son? Come with me. Obidike!
What brought you to my shrine, Your Majesty?
I have a problem. I want to kill Prince Obidike, but he's nowhere to be found. Ajobi, what do we do?
Whoever that told him to run away from the palace makes the task easier.
How do you mean?
No royalty will survive outside the kingdom. He will surely die. Go and ascend the throne of Amagu Kingdom.
Powerful, she's so strong, no one can withstand her. She's woman king, she's too powerful. Can't stand her.
I smell evil. Evil! This woman killed Igwe Ojemba, and she must be banished out of this land. All calamities will befall the people of Amago Kingdom in next 4 market days.
Obidia, you know I am innocent. I did not kill our husband. Only the gods will bear me witness. If I must leave, I will live with my son.
Keep quiet, woman! How dare you speak to the king in that manner? Gods! Take this woman out of the palace and out of the kingdom. If she dares step her foot into this kingdom, death shall befall.
No! No!
Get her out!
No! Obisia! A serpent that pegs on the tortoise will get its mouth bruised.
Yes.
Today or tomorrow, you will suffer! Or tomorrow!
Yes.
Oh no.
It is all your fault.
Your Majesty, you are welcome.
Ajobi, these are the men I carefully selected to be my wives. 2 of them ran away, and my warriors are yet to arrest them.
Your Majesty, made great choices. Your choice pleases the greater judge. With this, I make you a submissive wife to the most powerful and great king of Amago Kingdom. With this, I make you a submissive wife to the most powerful and great king of Amago Kingdom. With this, I make you a submissive wife to the most powerful and the great king of Amago Kingdom.
Amaka,
What is it?
my problem is not that a woman is our king. But my problem is men as wives. That's what baffles me.
I don't have a business with that. It is their problem. I only pity the poor woman her husband was taken away from.
Thanks to the God that my father is old. So the king can't take him away from my mother, all in the name of wife.
Thanks to the gods, you know your father is old. Let's go.
Those men with faces all covered.
Who that? They are the king's special warriors.
King's special warriors? Yes. So why is their faces covered?
According to my father, he said their faces are covered because their position in guiding the king is a respecter of no man. Oh yes, even if it is their mom that goes against the wish of the king, she will be killed.
Amaka, so you know all this? And you made me run thinking those men are harmful.
I saw you running, so I just have to run with you. Huh? Is it my fault? Please.
My chest.
Ajobi, I had a terrible dream last night. A python tries to swallow me. Are you sure Obidike is no more?
Any serpent that pegs a tortoise must get its mouth bruised. My king, you don't have to worry. No royal blood survived outside this kingdom for too long. It's either he dies or he runs mad.
God?
Yes, my king.
Go and tell the princess that the king would like to see her.
Powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her. She's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her. Hey, Jay, hey, Jay.
This is my princess. The king wants to see you now.
Alright. Tell my mother that I'll be with her shortly.
Alright, my princess.
Thank you, my princess. You look beautiful.
She's so strong, she's so powerful. She's so brave, like a lion. Yeah. If she's angry, no one gonna stand her. Her eyes sparkles like fire. Mama kuwe wa mama kuwe.
Sit down, my princess. The prince of Ezuku Kingdom was here earlier today. He came to ask for your hand in marriage.
Mother, I've told you, I am not interested. I will marry when I see the right man.
This is the right time. But if you say you cannot marry the prince of Ezuku, then you look within the kingdom and find yourself a man. And I will gladly pay his bride price, just like I paid for these wives of mine.
I've heard you. I will think about it. But for the meantime, I'll be in my house.
And why are you people smiling? And you, what's that your name again?
Obika, my king.
Obika. You go and wait for me in my chamber. Tonight is your night.
Yes, my goddess.
The rest of you get out of here. Look at them. Looking like cockroaches. Is that how to fun?
Hey, Jay. Hey, Jay. Hey, Jay. Hey, 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 Jay. Hey, Jay. Hey, Jay. Hey, Jay. Hey. She's so strong, she's so powerful. She's so brave, like a lion. Yeah. If she's angry, no one gonna stand her. Her eyes sparkles like fire. Mama kuwe wa mama kuwe. Mama kuwe wa Mama kuwe we ya Mama kuwe ya She's the man king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her. She's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her. Hey, Jay. Hey, Jay. Hey,
We are warriors from Amago Kingdom. Warriors from Amago Kingdom. Can I see your faces? Let me see your faces! I believe you have faces. My name is Izuna, a hunter from this kingdom. I saw the way you fought those boys. My king will be pleased to have you as one of his special warriors. Your king will be pleased to have me. You're lucky. You are favored by the gods as the one of the best warriors of my king. King. I'm going to cheat. You can make. Let's go. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Who are you?
Your Majesty, my name is Izuna, a hunter from Obubu Kingdom.
Are you sure he can perform my task of being my personal warrior?
Yes, my king. We watch him take down 2 thieves with his bare hands.
Well, take him in. Feed him. He must be hungry.
My love, what is the problem?
I think we need to stop this love and affection thing we feel for each other.
Why, my love? We love each other. And soon we're going to be together forever.
How is it possible? Tell me, have you forgotten who you are? You are the king's chief warrior. And no warrior in this kingdom is permitted to get married. I cannot see the face of the man I'm in love with.
Don't worry, my love. I have plans for us. Huh? Smile for me.
Are you sure about it?
Smile for me. I'm sure. I'm very sure. I have plans for us. Okay, come.
If you say so.
Come, let's
If you say so, I believe you.
You never told me that your king is a woman.
Izuna, don't ever call her a woman. She's a man. Those men around him are his wives. Like this, like a warrior you are. I'm supposed to kill. Stretch out your machete. Oh yeah, come on. Do it. You're supposed to kill. Supposed to kill.
The warriors of Amago Kingdom. Please quit your face, Izuna.
I'm the one.
Alright, Princess demands your presence now.
Powerful, she's so strong, no one can stand her. She's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her.
My princess, you sent for me. What is the problem? What is it? Your leg hurts? Sorry. Princess. Sorry, I can attend to it. Sorry. Sorry, take it easy. You can do just the same. Looks like you have some sprain here. Okay. How's it feeling?
Izuna.
Are you feeling any better? Good.
Izuna.
Yeah, my princess.
I like you. Izuna. I fell in love with you the moment you stepped into this palace. I have loved you before your face was even covered. And I have chosen you. You are the one. You are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Oh, princess, please. I have to go. Please.
God, go and get me my wives. Tell them I would like to see them immediately.
She's so strong, no one can stand her.
Where is Obika?
My king, Obika is still on punishment. Like he said last night, he didn't perform.
No, he did not perform at all. What a disappointment. He expected me to do all the work. I'm his king. I didn't like the way you people walked in. You walked in here like men when you are supposed to be wives. Women. Now get out here and walk back here swinging those heels. That's more like it. Sit. Have the guards been feeding you well? Have they been treating you well? Any complaints? That's good to hear. Tonight will be the night. We all are going to be together. I need you to go out to do some exercises so you'll be in the mood and be strong for what you will face tonight. Now get out of here. And don't forget to swing those hips.
powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her. She's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can.
To what do I owe these ungodly visits? I am your king. Show respect and bow. Fear! May the gods forbid that I, Abrawan, the priestess of the land, the eyes of the gods, bow before you, wicked woman. I have come with a proposal. I have come to ask you to rule the kingdom with me. What is your price? Sometimes the quietness of the leopard is often taken for cowardice.
Then you have no option than to die like a stubborn fly.
Let's go.
Where is he now? Oh, God.
No, my princess. Izuna and the other warriors are not in the palace, including the king.
Where could he? You can go. God. Where could he be? Gods of our land. What is going on? Why is my heart beating for a total stranger? I am rejecting and ignoring all advances. I have fallen in love with him. And he's the one I will spend the rest of my life with. Izuna. Izuna.
Your Majesty. How dare you! How dare you touch me!
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. I cannot allow you to eat that food.
Why?
Your Majesty, the food is laced with poison.
Poison? Who poisoned my food?
Your Majesty, I watched him. I watched him put a substance in this.
He's lying, my king. He's lying! Izuna, what nonsense are you talking about?
Enough! Yeah, I tasted the food.
Your Majesty.
Bye. As a matter of fact, finish it. Go down on your knees. On your knees. Eat the food.
I am sorry, my king. I poisoned your food. Don't worry, my love. I have plans for us. Huh?
Let him out of here. Tie him up by the river bank. Izuna, come back here. Sit down.
My king.
I said sit down.
My king. Forgive me.
Your Majesty. You can see.
I said sit down. What is your problem?
My king, forgive me. It should be off, not the warrior.
And who are the off? Huh? Now, will both of you go into your hut? Now! And make sure you swing! Idiots! Bad edges. Forgive my outburst.
I should be asking.
And I want to say thank you for saving my life. Why are you so far away? Come a bit closer so you can hear me when I speak. Come closer, I want to tell you something. No.
She's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her. Hey,
Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, my dear daughter.
I would like to have a word with you.
Oh, great. Please sit.
Well?
And what would you like to discuss with me?
Well, Your Majesty, I have found the man that I wish to spend the rest of my life with.
Oh, that is good news. And who is this man, if I may ask?
Well, his name is Izuna. He's one of your warriors. He's the one that actually saved your...
Enough! That will not be possible.
But why? Your Majesty, I understand the fact that your warriors are not meant to get married. But you are the king. You can convert him into your son-in-law.
Leave my presence now. Leave!
Mother!
She's too powerful.
I said leave.
So strong, no one can stand her. Hey, Jay, hey, Jay, hey, Jay, hey,
I got your message. That is why I am here.
I see calamity. I perceive him. I perceive his anger. And I see war.
But you told me that royalty cannot survive outside this kingdom.
I don't know what happened, but he's still alive. I smell him around.
If a crocodile can swallow its own egg, then you can imagine what it would do to the body of a toad. Let him come! My warriors are ready! My warrior is ready.
She's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her. Hey, Jay, hey, Jay, hey, Jay, hey,
My princess, what is it?
I was waiting for you. I knew you'd pass this way with your colleagues. I've chosen you as my man. You're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
My princess, this thing you just said to me, have you discussed it with the king?
And what did she say?
Well, she said no, but no need to worry. Leave that to me. All you have to do is accept me as your woman. And the rest will be history.
No. Please, stop. Don't touch this again. Do not want to open it, please. Right? I have to go.
Isn't that...
Please.
Is who?
My fellow warrior, I am not begging for my life, but don't see me as evil. I have my reason for trying to kill the king. No reason is enough to justify your actions. You want to kill my king. She's evil. In the history of Amagu Kingdom, women are not allowed to be kings. Talk more of marrying men as wives. Amagu Kingdom had a king. A very good king. But he died out of food poison. And the only son of Iyke was nowhere to be found. The mother was accused of killing the king for his only son to become the king. Oh, Iyke. Wherever he is, he must have been dead by now. I am Iyke! Yes. I am Iyke. Before the death of my father, the late king, he asked me to run away from this kingdom. Isn't there? So you're Iyke? Yes, I am. Oh, thank the gods of our land. Thank the gods of our land. Iyke, so I can behold your face again. The king instructed me to kill you here. But I'm going to let you leave. Ude, please. Go across the river and never step your foot on this land until the war that is about to start is over. Go. My hands are tied. Iyke, thank you for saving my life. But be very careful. It's alright, I will. Please go.
She's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her.
Mother. How dare you call me mother? In front of my wives, for that matter. I am your father and the king. These are your stepmothers. Anyway, I'd like to speak with you. In private. You all excuse me. Go back to your hut.
I have come to know whether you have changed your mind about me marrying Izuna.
You will never marry Izuna. None of my warriors would ever get married.
I love Izuna. And if I don't marry him, I won't marry anyone else. I shall marry Izuna. You can't stop me.
Nwamma, do not dare your king.
She's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her. Hey, Jay, hey, Jay, hey, Jay, hey, 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 Jay, hey, Jay, hey, Jay, hey. She's so strong, she's so powerful. She's so brave, like a lion. Yeah. If she's angry, no one gonna stand her. Her eyes sparkles like fire.
Your Majesty, you look troubled.
Leave us.
It's my fault.
A snake I tried to kill with one hand has turned into a serpent with two heads and is trying to devour me.
Your Majesty, you speak in parables. Please, make me to understand.
His father, the king, was a coward. He too is a coward. He left, fled the kingdom, and now he's back to destroy me. Any male stranger that steps his foot into this kingdom must be arrested.
All right, Your Majesty. I will do exactly as you say.
Gods of our land, what is going on? What is going on? Is it a crime to love someone? Is it a crime to now fall in love? No. I am falling for Izuna. And if I can't marry him, I will not marry any other man. I will not marry anybody else.
Then be prepared to stay single for the rest of your life. Stay away from my daughter, Mama. Don't you ever go an inch close to her, ever again.
All right, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, your daughter is single. And I am single. Your Majesty, are you stopping me from seeing here because I'm a stranger?
How dare you? How dare you speak when the king is still talking?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
If you ever get close to my daughter again, I promise you, you shall be beheaded.
Why are you doing this? Why are you being so difficult? Is it a crime to fall in love? Listen, now why do you keep rejecting me? Why do you continue to push me away? I'm wanted by many in this kingdom. And I have chosen you as the man I want to spend the rest of my life.
You can't keep rejecting me. You can't keep pushing me away.
Please stop. Stop, princess.
Your mother asked me to stay far away from you. I saw fire in her eyes. She threatened that she will kill me if I don't stay away from you.
Wait, my mother? My mother threatened to kill you?
Yes.
But why? Why would she say that?
I do not know. I do not know. But please, I want us to stop seeing each other. Let's stop this. Please. I do not want any problem with your mother, the king. Please, let's stop this.
Princess! Princess!
Gossiping?
Greetings, young.
Instead of keeping vigil, you're here discussing. Is that how it's done?
No, my king.
How could you? Mother, how could you be so wicked? How could you be so wicked and heartless? Even to your own daughter. The only man I have ever loved. You asked him to stay away from me, then you threatened to kill him!
How dare you? How dare you speak to your king in that manner?
You are not my king! You are a woman! And that is what you shall forever be! What kind of mother takes away her breast from her baby's mouth? All my life I have adored you as my mother. I have supported you and stood by you. And now you dare extend your selfish and wickedness to me! The people of Amago Kingdom might see you as their king. But to me, you shall forever remain a woman and my father's wife! That is all you will ever be!
What have I done? What have I done? What have I done?
No!
Your Majesty, how could you? How could you take away the life of your only daughter?
That is to show you the extent I would go to protect the one I care for and love.
The one you care for? And love? Your Majesty, that is the one you care for. And that is the one you loved. Your daughter is the one you loved. And you took away her life.
You, Izuna, is the one that I love. I would like to make you my special one. The one that would sit very close by my right hand. Okay. I cannot wait to see you swing your backside. I will ravish you. Oh yes, I will. Turn around. Turn around. Swing around. Not those maggots.
She's woman king, she's woman king, she's too powerful. She's so strong, no one can stand her.
Gods of my ancestors, for how long? For how long will I continue to live like this? I have hidden my identity for so many years. From a prince to a hunter, from a hunter to a warrior, and now a woman who bends down to urinate wants to turn me to be her wife. It is time for war. It is better to die for something than to die for nothing.
Iyke.
I thought you dead. The news was everywhere that they killed you.
I am the eyes of the gods and the mouthpiece of Amago Kingdom. No one can take my life.
Why? A lot has happened. Obidia, my late father's wife, has gone brutal. She kills anyone that steps on her way. Please, you have to help us to stop her.
Take this. Make sure you use it when no one is watching. Go! 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 He that kills by sword will surely die by sword.
How did he survive? Only a stubborn fly that followed the corpse to the grave. I will destroy him by myself.
I take very good care of my wives. I feed you well, don't I? I want you to be robust, so you can swing your hips from left to right and have the energy to do the necessary.
Stop! The food you are eating, my king, is poison. I can smell him around. Iyke, the coward son of Igbo Jemba. I am not a coward. I am not a coward. Yes.
I left this palace a child. I am here like a man to reclaim what belongs to me. Yes, to take back my father's throne from you thief.
You'll be... the enemy. My king, my king. Please.
You should die! You should die! No! My king, you cannot die! You
shall die, Obidia! Die! 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 You don't deserve to live. You don't deserve to live. Yes. You killed my father! You killed my father and you took his throne. You punished my mother. You punished my mother and she died! How despicable are you? How wicked are you? You even killed your own daughter! You evil woman!
You cannot die, my king! You, Ebele, cannot die, my king! She must die! You! I thought I have killed you! But this time around, you cannot escape me!
You cannot kill me!
I will send you where my father sent your father!
You cannot do justice! It is not by my power, but by the power of He who sent me. Rise up. Rise up. And take your throne.